Yo YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Just thought I'd quickly create this tutorial today to show you how to get Silent Hill F for free. This game is available on PlayStation, Xbox, PC, Steam, and I'm going to show you guys how to go ahead and get Silent Hill F for completely free. And this is a digital game code that you can redeem on whatever platform you choose to play on, and it's going to get you a free copy of the game. And this game is pretty expensive, guys, costing around $80 US. So it's pretty expensive, and this method takes just a few minutes, so it's well worth your time. It's going to save you a bunch of money for just a few minutes of quote-unquote work. So what you're going to want to do, guys, is use your mobile phone. I'm using my iPhone here with Safari internet browser. You can do this on any mobile device. You've just got to make sure you head on over to www.coldcoupons.com. So you can pause the video and copy this web address down if you need to, but it's pretty simple to head on over to Cold Coupons. And this website has loads of different codes and game codes on here, guys. As you can see, I'm just scrolling through, they have loads. Here's the Silent Hill F free game code. So you can scroll down and find it, or you can just go to the search bar at the top of the screen and type in there, Silent Hill. And here we go, Silent Hill F free game code. And this is going to get you a free copy for all platforms. So click on show full code. Like I said, guys, this is just a digital game code. So for example, if you play on Xbox, you would enter this into the Microsoft Store, and it's going to download Silent Hill F. So as you can see, guys, it says your code is ready, and it will be revealed in the box below after verification. And as you can see, these are limited codes. There's 814 at the time of recording. So these are limited, but there are a bunch of them. So what this does, guys, this basically prevents you from taking all of the game codes. You can only get one copy of the game. So to unlock your code, you've got to click this button here and just follow the instructions on this page. It says complete 2 of the tasks below to unlock your code. So basically, guys, these tasks sponsor Cold Coupons and allow them to provide you these free game codes. So essentially, you need to complete 2 of the tasks here. They're all completely free, and they're really easy things like installing mobile applications, playing mobile games, answering survey questions. Do just make sure you follow the description, because it tells you basically what you need to do for each task. So yeah, just basically fully complete 2 of those. I've already done it, so I'm just going to skip forward. But yeah, your code will be revealed in this box, so your full code will be shown here. You can redeem it on your platform of choice, and that is how to get Silent Hill F for free. Really simple method, guys. Head on over to Cold Coupons, and like I said, you can just scroll down and look for it here, or you can search in the search bar, and that's basically how to do it, guys. So I hope you enjoyed. Let me know in the comment section if you need any help, and also drop me a comment letting me know what your review of the game is. I think it's pretty awesome, but I'm glad I didn't spend the money for it because it is quite expensive. So hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.